Hello, welcome once again to our training section. Today we are going to learn how to make a simple earring. As usual, we'll need a pair of scissors. We need this pliers. This is called a cutter. And then this is called the flat plier. We also have the round nose plier, but I don't have that one here. And then we'll need this earring accessories, this earring hook, and then the head pin. See how it is, hook and then the head pin. It has a flat thing. And then different types of beads, crystals, and then cat eye, different shapes to make a simple earring. This is an example of a very simple earring. Simple one. This is not what we are going to do, but I'm showing you one of the simplest earring you can make. Now let's move on to making the earring. We'll pick a flat head pin. This is it, flat head pin. And then we'll insert a tiny bead. Just see how the bead is just to hold or be like a stopper to hold the beads from falling off. Even though the flat parts can do that, but there are some beads with bigger holes, so it's advisable to put a bead there to serve as a stopper. So for a simple earring, you can pick the beads in any format, any way you want. This is how I want to make it. So I'm arranging it based on how I want it to look. So after putting the bead on the flat head pin, we are going to take our plier. Usually it's advisable to use the round nose plier, but I don't have mine here. The round nose plier has this part round, so you just put it there and then coil the tip of the pin. You can as well use this, but the correct tool to use is the round nose plier. So just see how I'm doing this. You hold the tip this way, and then try to coil. The round nose plier does a perfect job. This plier is actually to direct the pin like I'm doing. It didn't coil well, so I want to bring it up and then trying to, so this way you coil it this way. Don't know if you can see it. With a round nose plier, it will do a perfect job compared to this one. So after coiling it, then you get the opportunity to fix your hook. And then close it with this plier. So in making an earring, you use mostly this one and then the round nose plier to coil, and then this one to close, hold. You're working with pins, so this one helps you to hold the pins whilst working with it. So this is our simple earring. Hope you can see it.